Hello again, it's me, John Vaughn, the founder and CEO of Tier 5. And I'm going to be the main one that's actually walking you through and doing all these trainings with you. So you're going to see me in most of these training videos. So in this first video here, we're just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this getting started section. So here's a bunch of things that we've just put together. This is going to be relatively short, but here's a bunch of different things that we've actually put together for you that you can have access to. It's the first thing you kind of need to go through. All right. So first thing, I want to make sure that you're actually in this Tier 5 community group right here. So I want to make sure that you actually get inside this group. Okay. So you want to join this group. This is the Tier 5 community group. Later on, I'm going to explain to you more about the Tier 5 community and how it plays a major role in the entire partnership model. But for right now, I just want you to go in and join this group. And then if you have any specific questions or need any specific help about a software or want strategy overall with the software, these are our users. So it's a great place for you to go in and meet other Tier 5 software users, ask them questions, ask us questions, or just overall give people help with strategy, or even yourself get help with strategy. So go ahead and make sure that you join that group. You have another Facebook group as well, and that is the partnership group. All right. So you have access to the Tier 5 partnership group as well. And let me just real quick go in and copy that link and show you that link real quick. This group, inside this group, you'll find all the other Tier 5 partners. So if you want to network with other Tier 5 partners, if you want to meet other Tier 5 partners, find out how they're monetizing and maximizing the Tier 5 partnership in their life and in their business, this is the place to do that. Any questions about the Tier 5 partnership in general, updates about Tier 5, what we're doing on the back end, all happen in this group. The only people in this group are Tier 5 partners. So everybody in this group is a Tier 5 partner. So make sure that you also join that group as well. Okay. Now, as a Tier 5 partner, you do have agency accounts. So you don't really have to use our affiliate platform if you don't want to. Okay. You are able to set up your own funnels, set your own pricing, and keep 100% of the revenue that you generate through selling our software. We're going to get into that a little bit further down in the training. But if you don't want to set up your own funnels and you don't want to have your own payment processor and you don't want to do any of that, you can always use our affiliate platform and just promote things as an affiliate. Okay. You're better off. It's better off for you to set up your own funnels and keep 100% of the revenue. But if you want to promote as an affiliate, you can do that. So we have two different affiliate platforms. We have the Tier 5 affiliate platform. This is where you'll actually go to manage your user accounts, and there'll be a section about that a little bit later in the getting started section. You'll see in a couple more videos, you'll see how to do all the user management and how to actually manage your agency accounts. Okay, so you can manage your agency accounts inside the Tier 5 affiliate platform. You can also update your billing information if you need to update your billing information. We're in the middle of rebuilding this platform. And then after that, you'll be able to do a lot more in the Tier 5 affiliate platform. To sign up, you just need to click this button right here. And this is literally going to take you through a process in the Tier 5 chatbot where it will set up your account for you and give you back your username and password after it sets up your account. So make sure that you click right here and get your account set up for the Tier 5 affiliate platform. We also have the Tier 5 backpack affiliate platform that's built on ClickFunnels. You do not need a paid ClickFunnels account whatsoever. But if you are going to promote our software as an affiliate and not set up your own funnels, again, I don't recommend doing that. But if you are going to do that, most of our software, most of the front-end sales funnels is built on ClickFunnels. So in some of our other offers, like the partnership itself and like the community membership, some of the other offers that we have are built on ClickFunnels. So you'll be able to go in and track things and get your affiliate links right from Backpack. You'll at least want to sign up. Like I said, you don't have to have a paid ClickFunnels account. You can sign up for free, get your ClickFunnels affiliate ID, and then you will go into the Tier 5 affiliate platform and paste in your ClickFunnels ID so that we can track your sales in our platform. There'll be a video about that platform, about the Tier 5 affiliate platform and how to do that a little bit later. But you do need to make sure that you get signed up for both of these affiliate platforms. Tier 5 software. So as a Tier 5 partner, you have unlimited access to all 7 of our softwares and Group Convert. You should have got an email already with your username and passwords for each software. And we're gonna have a training video and training series right here in this training, as you can see, that goes over in depth each and every software, an overview of the software, what it does, what are the unique selling points, who buys that software, what it allows you to do, and then how to actually use the software as well, okay? If you ever need any support or help with an individual software, you can log into the individual software. You will see a support page and a chat widget where you can get support from that specific software, okay? If you did not, for some reason, get your user accounts and get your, login, get that email for some reason, it would have got sent to you. I would recommend checking your spam folder. But if you can't find it, then you just need to message the Tier 5 support chatbot, and you can do that right here just by clicking on this button, or you can email us at hello@tier5.us, or you can just search Tier 5 in Facebook and message us on the Tier 5 Facebook page. You can also do that by clicking this button right here that says here. And then you can also message me personally on Facebook, okay? Before you message me personally on Facebook, you should post in the community group or post in the partner group, or if you need help with a particular software, you should message the Facebook page for that particular software, because that's where we do our support at, or you should message the Tier 5 Facebook page directly before you reach out to me. If you feel like you just need to reach out to me, feel free just to reach out to me. You can do that at my personal Facebook page right here. All right, so that's enough to kind of get you started. Make sure you just go through and get all this done, and then you can go ahead and move on, and we'll talk about your intake call.